No.
Yes.
No.
I'm back.
See.
I see. Bella's sitting here staring at me.
The knockoff version of Onyx, yeah.
Yeah. My parents are on the East Coast. Oh, I already read that. Oh, yeah, we have a whole setup of meals and snacks and drinks to make it through 12 plus hours of movie with bio breaks. That's awesome. It's super cool that you found a group of friends that you feel so comfortable with to watch movies for fucking 12 hours. That's badass. I love that for you.
You have a friend that will do that.
Oh, I know.